you're having a great day. Sooeylife here. I am 53 and I'm sharing anti-aging tips and face massages with you guys. The massages I'm showing you are the ones that I've been doing and I know they really work. Aging cannot be stopped, no, but we can slow it down. Yes, we can. Today, I'm going to do a face massage that's taking care of smile lines and also facelifting. Smile lines are the ones that if we don't take care of them, they only gonna get deeper. Do this with me and look younger because it really works. I'm always happy to see your comments. Leave your comments down below. Your comments make me very, very happy. Every week, there's a different massage on my channel. Do this with me to take care of the whole face and look younger. Every week, do this with me. If you want to get extra anti-aging tips, join the membership. The link is down below. Are you ready to look younger? Let's get started. First, rub your hands together for 10 to 20 seconds. Next, make your hands like this, right here. So do this 10 times. Next, make your hands like this, and right here. Let's do this 10 times. Next, along your smile lines, make your hands like this. Next, switch the side, same way. Next, make your hands like this, right here. So do this 10 times. Next, make your hands like this, over here. Do this 10 times.